grind don't stop. Y'all know how it go. What's the deal? What's the deal, my good people? It's been a minute since I seen y'all. Hold on. Feel me? I had to wipe y'all off. It's been a minute since I seen y'all. It's one of those dark and gloomy days. You know, shoot. It's crazy because it look like it's dark time, but shoot, it's 12:45. It's one of those days in California where it's raining. Y'all see it when I go out today. But just sitting at home watching TV, waiting till it's time to go pick up Lil Ray. Watching the kids. The kids is kind of quiet right now because they in their room playing right now. So y'all really don't hear them. But they here. Alright, so I'm on my way to pick up Lil Ray right now. And it's raining out. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Got railing in the back. As usual. It's wet out here. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all can hear the rain. Hear the windshield wipers. I'll show y'all in a video. Alright, finally made it to Lil Ray's school. But, now it's time for the boring part. I gotta sit here and just wait. But yeah, what y'all been up to though? Hit me in the comment section below and tell me what y'all been up to. Life's been crazy. Have y'all seen that R. Kelly thing? I watched it last week. That mess is crazy, man. That's crazy. See, but the Bible speaks of these things, though. You know what I'm saying? It speaks on how we shouldn't have idol. We shouldn't worship idols, like idol worshiping. And people look at these celebrities and they idolize these celebrities like that. And that's not what God intended for us to be doing. And it's sinful, and it's crazy because you're gonna have people at this. It's supposed to be a concert coming up soon with, I think, B2K, and it's gonna be people down there, like they're gonna be down there worshiping these dudes. And in the Bible, it speaks to that. It's a scripture. It's a scripture that says it is better to hear the rebuke of the wise than for a man to hear the songs of fools. And it's like, people don't understand, like, y'all worshiping these idols. It's crazy. I'm gonna leave the scripture on the bottom somewhere down here. Y'all be able to see it, but y'all know how I do. But it's crazy, man. We living in a crazy time right now. Listening to songs of fools. Y'all better stop worshiping these dudes, man. They demonic. They evil. It is what it is.